Hello, and welcome to another episode of Nature Nation. Today, we have a special treat for you. Stay tuned and find out. Look what just landed. It's a hot air balloon. Let's get closer and see what we can learn about floating on a bubble of hot air. The balloon itself is 70 feet wide, 90 feet tall, 4,000 yards of nylon, and weighs 720 pounds. That is incredible. As you can see, they are disassembling the balloon from the basket. That basket weighs 1,300 pounds, and it takes 420-pound propane tanks to fill that giant nylon sack. They're folding it up so they can put it away, and it takes 8 people to stuff it all in the bag they use. As you can see here, they're stuffing that 90 feet of nylon into that bag. Remember, that balloon weighs 720 pounds. That is a lot of weight to stuff into that bag. Now they're loading up that basket into the trailer. Remember, 1,300 pounds. Watch how they load it up into the trailer. They lift up the front end and they back up the trailer. Once that happens, the other people get in the back and just push it in while the trailer backs up. Hey, so I'm here with Luther from Northern Light Balloon Expeditions. So when do you usually go out? Like, when do you usually start?
Well, that kind of depends through the year. So we launch with the sunrise, so that can change. So right now we're getting up at like 4 in the morning. We meet up at like 5:50 and pretty much everything up. Pretty much off at like 8:30. It's about 4 hours.
All right.
In the winter time, we're getting up a lot later.
All right. And how much does it cost for a ride?
It's $225 per person.
Okay. About how high do you guys go?
That can vary too. So several thousand feet. Pretty far up there. Just kind of depends on the drainage and like basically what flight patterns are looking like for that day.
Alright. And how chilly does it get up there?
Well, the air temperature can be kind of chilly, but as far as like temperature, they're going to be pretty warm.
Alright. Alright, well, thank you. I know you guys got to get going.
Yep.
So, have a great day and thank you. Well, that's it for Nature Nation. I hope you enjoyed. Our special little episode about ballooning out here in Arizona, which is a normal thing. Come out, enjoy it. I hope you have a good day. And until next time, keep adventuring.